Welcome to HQR. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to check your permissions. First, click on the profile icon, located by your name on the upper right-hand side of every page. This is the My Profile page, where you can manage your organizations and access requests. Let's check the permissions for Sample Vendor. Here, we can see all the programs the user has access to view or edit. To request access for Notice of Participation, scroll down and click Edit. A new window lets us request Upload Edit Access. Check the right buttons and then click Apply and Close. When you're ready, click Review. Now you can preview your changes. If everything is correct, click Submit. This will take you back to the My Profile page. And that's it. Look for more quick tutorials at hqr.cms.gov/support.